Hey, hey. Ayan, nakatapos lang ng show namin. At guess what? Guess what? Ito ang ating post-show ritual. Mag-cup noodles. Grabe, nabubulol-bulol ako today sa show. As in, yung English ko ay nagma-malfunction tonight. Kasi feel ko dire-diretso kami nag-show, diba? So, ayan. Good morning na pala dyan, no? Good morning. Ayan, ang ating menu ay Lucky Me at Skyflakes kasi uwing-uwi na kami. See you tomorrow, Jello. Sasama daw sila? Hindi na.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Pagluluto ko daw sila tomorrow. Tuloy ba yon?
Yeah.
Magluluto ako. Sige. Mag-grocery kami bago kami pumunta sa inyo para makapagluto kami. Yeah, we just finished the show today. At gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na buhay pa ako kasi hindi na ako nakakapag-update ng stories, hindi ako nakakapag-tweet, ganyan. Sobrang out of the loop na ako kasi gusto ko lang talagang matapos yung work ko dito. So, very, kami dito? In a bubble. Talagang puro work kami recently. So, hindi kami updated sa mga kaganapan dyan sa Pilipinas. Ano na mga ganap dyan? Saw you in Scarborough. You were amazing. Thank you. Wait, where's Scarborough again? With the pier? With the pier?
Yeah.
Yung naglakad tayo na malayo? O hindi?
Hindi. Yung may
Yung malamig na na theater. Oo.
You were shaking the meet and greet.
Oh, yeah, I was shaking in the meet and greet.
That was beside the beach. The one.
Yeah. The
where
ugly
we had
beach.
You had your tea.
Sorry.
Yeah, the muddy beach.
Saw you in Chinatown.
Yeah. I was choosing.
Yeah, we were buying noodles. Work the World. Yes, I'm so excited for Work the World. Ang sarap. LU. Dadiretso ako ng LU after nito. As in, magdadrive agad ako papuntang La Union. Para magpa-araw kasi hindi kami naaarawan dito.
No,
Ellie!
Nawawala na yung pagkamorena ni Marina.
May something about sa tubig dito talaga nakakaputi. Malala. Miss Diamond is here. She's covering for me tomorrow. She's playing Glinda tomorrow. Who you with? Paul. Paul, pakita ka. Huwag masyado. Lilipat sa'yo yung filter. Kakalasakin yung filter. Ang sarap. Taste of home.
Anong pakiramdam na kumakain ng cup noodles after a long day? Feeling mo ba sumakses ka na?
Feeling ko talaga, sumakses ka. Yung na-imagine mo, bigla kang sumakses eh. Success ka eh. Pero step by the step pala siya. No?
Ganito siya. Pero step by the
Pero step by the step pala siya. No?
Okay.
Yung nasa imagine mo, sumakses ka, pero bigla kang sumakses eh.
Ano naman sa'yo ang ibig sabihin ng ecological?
Ecological. Parang, wow! Ang sarap pala maging artista. Wow! Makakasama ko na pala si Jesus. Wow!
Ang
Ganda pala ng langit. Ganon.
Pero yung sumakses, truer words have never been said. Yun yung
Yun yung definition ng career ko, ng drag career ko.
Step by the step.
Yung bigla kang sumakses eh. Ang ganap dito sa Pinas ay Evasious. Anong Evasious? Yung kay Eva tsaka kay Precious. Oo. Nag-love teaman sila. my partner said speak in English, please. I've been speaking in English the entire show, so please bear with me. Spare me with some grace. Gothy is here. Hi, Gothy. I'll see you this weekend. If we arrive in London early, let's go to heaven.
Yeah.
Because it's our day off the next day. And we need to see Ollie.
Yeah.
Invite Ollie.
I like heaven. I want to see heaven.
I'll bring Paul.
Heaven.
Gothy is DJing in Saturday.
Ooh.
So,
That would be fun.
let's go. And let's meet Ollie. Because I miss Ollie.
Wow. Ang ganda pala ang heaven.
Wow, ang ganda pala sa heaven. Will you do a show in London again? Hi, Aliyah. Yes, i-announce soon. Shh, huwag niyo munang sabihin. Pero, I will be announcing a London show soon. Magugulat na lang kayo bigla akong nasa London. Ang dami nyo nang gising, no?
Ganyan lang gising ah.
Ang ganyan nagigising, ha? Anong oras na ba
Hindi
dyan?
kasi may work today, so baka
6 a.m.?
6:40.
7? Oo. Queen Dura references soon. Ano kayo kay Queen Dura? Meron bago.
May bago.
Lang, check lang. Okay na to. Alam kong hindi ka pa okay. Pero okay lang yan. Malalampasan mo rin yan. Tama ba?
Oo. Okay na to. Pero alam ko ikaw hindi ba?
Ayun. Okay na to. Pero alam kong ikaw hindi pa. Karis, say hi.
Hi! So cold.
Pero alam ko ikaw hindi pa.
Kilala mo na daw si Nina. Oo, kilala ko si Nina.
The icon.
The icon, the diva.
The vocabularists herself.
The linguistics. The linguisticician. Oh. What? Talangin mo ko. What is ecology?
Para sa'yo, Nina, what is ecological?
Ecological. Parang ano siya. Parang, wow! Ang sarap palang maging artista. Wow! Makakasama ko na si Jesus. Wow! Ganito pala ang feeling sa langit. Ganon.
Ganun ba yung ulo mo?
Oo, ganon.
Hindi pa natin na-memorize yung may isa pa hindi na-memorize yung feel mo ang moment.
Na-feel mo ang moment. Liv is here. Say hi.
Glamorous.
Wait na, ibaba natin para hindi makita nagbibihis ata sila. Ayan, tayo-tayo lang muna. Ano pa yung isa? Success ka eh. Sumaksis ka eh. Pero,
Hindi mo ba in-upload yung TikTok?
hindi pa. Pero step by the step pala siya. Pero sa imagine mo, bigla kang sumakses eh. Mag Q&A tayo. Okay, magtanong kayo, mag Q&A tayo. Para meron tayong ganap. Naubos mo na ba yung crinkles? Oh my gosh, PJ, yes. Naubos namin yung crinkles. Pinagsaluhan namin. Kasi day off namin the next morning. Dinala namin sa London. Ang sarap nung crinkles na chocolate. Ato, sa'yo galing tong noodles na to.
Bye!
Bye! Are you single? Yes, I'm very, very single. So, kung merong pogi dyan na masarap, tapos mayaman, tapos, pogi, baka naman, no? Baka naman. Ano ganap mo today? Nag-show kami dito sa Dorking. Anong favorite mong flavor ng cup noodles? Favorite kong flavor ng cup noodles ay bulalo. At meron kaming history niyang cup noodles bulalo. Oh, kasi, di ba nung nag-film kami ng Drag Race UK, nakwento ko na ata ito, nakwento ko na ba sa kanila to? Drag Race UK versus the World, nag-film kami. So, nilagay ko sa dietary requirements ko. Kailangan may kanin or kailangan may Filipino food. Kasi syempre yun yung kinukuhanan ko ng ng energy, ganyan. Wala talaga, kahit rice, walang rice doon sa pinag-filman namin at all. Wala silang ma-provide na rice. So, wala talaga eh. Parang, after a few episodes na finifilm na, parang 4th episode or 3rd episode, medyo umiiyak na ako dahil nga, naho-homesick na ako, tas hindi ko bet yung food, hindi talaga. So, yung Drag Race UK, after parang, siguro nag-procure muna sila. Binigyan nila, nag-knock sa door ko, day off ko ata yun eh. Nag-knock sa door ko si Wendy, yung Queen Team. Nasa Queen Team
yesterday.
namin. Nakita namin siya kahapon sa show namin. Tumatak siyang ganyan. Tapos may dala siyang mga Nissan Cup bulalo. Bulalo ha? So, yung word na bulalo, yung unang Filipino word na nabasa ko nung nag-film kami. So, medyo sentimental sa akin yung Nissan Cup bulalo. Tapos after nun, idiinan ko siya. Niluto ko siya. Tapos pagkasip ko ng bulalo, dear, umiyak talaga. May humahagulgul ako sa hotel room ko dahil sa Nissin Cup bulalo. So, Nissin Cup bulalo, Lucky Me. Nissin Cup, hindi, Lucky Me to eh. Nissin Cup. Alam niyo na gagawin ninyo. When is the international online merch store going live? Soon, super soon. Inaayos lang namin yung website. Inaayos lang namin yung lahat, everything. But it's gonna be, it's pretty much okay na. Inaayos lang namin yung international details. Pero everything okay na. We're gonna feature yung mga current merch namin. And then, magre-release din kami soon ng new design and more interesting stuff there. Para hindi na ako nag-online live selling. Alam niyo na yun kung ano yung mga ibebenta namin doon soon. So, eventually, lalaki yung shop. So, we'll see you there. Tuloy ba yung show mo dito sa Amsterdam? Yes, tuloy na tuloy. Can you please come to Spain? Yeah, just bring me to Spain then.
Marina would love to.
Queen, are you performing God is a Woman? Secret! Abangan nyo. Kakatawag lang namin kanina, pinag-usapan namin yung number ko. Medyo pasabog siya, medyo maganda siya. Medyo lang, pasabog siya. May make sure namin na pasabog siya. Kausap ko yung Work the World kanina. Yung boss events, pinag-usapan namin yung number ko. So, exciting. Parang, wow, ang sarap palang maging artista. Wow, makakasama ko na si Jesus. Wow, ganito pala ang feeling sa langit. Ganon. Ganon yung feeling ng performance ko.
Mafe-feel mo yung moment.
Mafe-feel mo yung moment. Parang sumakses ka pero step by the step pala siya. So ayun, sa lahat ng mga gusto makabili ng merch na wala sa DragCon, don't worry. Yung Lip Sync Assassin shirt and yung World Tour shirt, ilalabas namin doon. So, Abangan nyo na lang. Huwag kayong attack.
Tsaka yung Dragon exclusive merch na world tour.
Kaya nagmamadali kasi step by the step siya. Chika ka papa mother about some memorable filming experiences mo. Ano ba yung mga nakwento kong memorable? Yan na kasi ako matandaan eh.
Yung mga off-cam moments ni nila Michelle. Kung meron.
May merch ba sa Work the World? Oo nga, hindi ko natanong mo.
Oo nga.
Hindi ba natanong? Brixie or Maxiana? Ano yun? Ano yung Brixie? Maxiana, si Max at saka si Piana. Ano yung Brixie?
Brigading.
May ganun din ba sila? Ang dami naman, puro naman lab team. Baka magkain laban yung mga yan, may mga jowa lahat yun. May jowa sila tatlo. Ano ako, i-ship natin si Lady Morgana tsaka si Cheche. Si Corazon. Ano kaya? Lazon. O, di ba? Lady Morgana and Corazon. Lazon. Yun ang i-ship nyo. Kapag ka ginawa nyo ng AU yun, ako yun ang papanoorin. Ayun ang babasahin ko. #Lazon. Ganun. Tigil nyo yung Maxiana. Tigil nyo yung mga evasios na yan. Doon tayo sa Lazon. Sino po ang jowa ni Maxi? Wala bang jowa si Maxi?
Wala.
Wala pala. Wala pala ang jowa si Maxi.
Si meron?
Si Angel. Si Angel ang may... Di ba si Angel yung may jowa sa kanilang dalawa?
Tsaka si
Kiana.
Kiana and Brigading.
Walang jowa si Maxi. Wala daw.
Itong bagit na nanonood ng fashion.
Hi, Noel. Crush ko to si Noel, pero ay naman akong landiin. Sabihan niyo, mag-comment kayo sa lahat ng ni Noel. Charet. Sabihin niyo, landiin na ako ni Noel, kamo. Joke lang. Hi, Noel. Madam, thoughts on okay naman siya. Parang, wow, ang sarap pala maging artista. Wow, makakasama ko na si Jesus. Wow, ganito pala ang feeling sa langit. Ganon siya. Parang mafe-feel mo yung moment. Kailan ka babalik sa Vancouver? Di ko nga rin alam eh. Gusto ko nga bumalik.
Saan daw?
Vancouver.
Oo naman.
Marina, when ka ulit pupunta sa Ireland? Ay, malapit na! I-announce din namin yan. Miss you, Noel. See you soon. Sana naman sumama ka na sa akin sa La Union this time. No? Sana totohanin mo na yung pagsabi mo sa akin na maganda ako, na see you soon. Sana tinotoo yung mga ganyan, hindi lang Sana sineseryoso yung mga see you soon, hindi yung puro lang, message lang. Ayoko nung ganun. See you soon tapos hindi naman magpapakita. Wag ganun. Masama yun. Hindi mo makikita si Jesus pag O, crush ka daw niya, Paul. Silip naman. Si Allen Trudisulusus. I love you, Paul. I love you, Paul. I love you, Sherry. I love you, Paul.
Well, I probably could eat the whole rest.
Paul, uwi ka na. Paul, uwi ka na
Who
daw.
am I kidding? Wish I could. Come slow, fly. City.
Na-spoil ng performance sa Cebu para pupunta talaga ako. Maganda yung performance. Pumunta ka na.
Sige na natin.
Sige na, nak. Kikimbot na lang ako dun, oh. Hardy ka pa.
Mahirap yung pasagahin.
I'll let
Gusto nyo may ganyan-ganyan pa.
Go straight out. Yeah.
I don't know how from surgeon as well.
Mm-hmm.
The hairdresser just makes me laugh. It just seems so.
Hi, Marina. Wan ka uwi ng Pilipinas. Malapit na. Dami kong aasikasuhin eh.
So like,
Mamaya.
You got oh,
Excited to watch Work the World sa Cebu. Oh my God. See you soon.
Get your tickets.
Get your tickets now.
Saan?
Worktheworld.com.
Ano ba dito?
Cebu and Manila. Cebu is April 30th.
Was he on the phone?
Manila is May 1st.
No, he didn't answer.
Singapore is May 3rd.
We rang him on my last podcast episode. That's not nice.
oh,
But he didn't answer, so they rang Kane instead. Honestly, you need to, I don't know, you need to start. It has me like laughing out loud.
Excited for March 21.
My favourite bit, honestly, question for you.
yeah.
Lapit na.
And with your
Dapat
final
na.
start,
Ipon na kayo.
oh my
Yung mga pera
Has
nyo,
me
hinanda
hard.
nyo.
Handaan niyo yung mga pera ninyo sinasabi sa inyo.
Kukunin ko lahat yan.
Kukunin ko lahat yan.
It's gone very
I can't wait to see you on Friday. See you soon! It's true na pupunta ka ng Bacolod. I think, yeah, parang narinig ko, yes. I think in,
Oh, sorry.
June?
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm not sure. Oh, ata.
I might eat the tomato off this because
Yeah.
realistically.
It was like a crisp.
April 29, Manila. April 29, Manila. Ah.
That's my birthday.
Cebu, April 29, Manila, April 30. And then SG, May 2. Ah, okay. Sorry.
Oh, she's gonna make me really hungry.
Where you got your rice?
What's your favorite Brit expression? What's your favorite Brit expression? Fucking hell.
What a day.
What a day I'm here. Or twat. That's my favorite Brit word. Twat.
That's
Wait, look at the fridge.
yeah.
Twat, hindi tuwad. Bungol ang puta.
Looks so good.
Yeah. And it's that big, thick pasta, right? Is it
Yeah.
pasta?
Yeah.
Ma, what's your thoughts on the PPN situation? Ano meron? Ano nangyari?
What happened?
I'm gonna put my apple.
You are apple. Apple wash. Oh, it's that.
When are you going to be in Brazil again? Alam mo, I miss Brazil. I miss Brazil so much.
I don't know what time we came down today. It's really earlier than.
Is it?
I don't know, probably wasn't.
Binabash si PPN.
That shows
Bakit?
how it would be.
Nasa expo. Check mo nga.
Sorry, but I'm not sure how the board is 15 yet.
Can you talk about season 17 of Drag Race? Who are you rooting for? I'm rooting for Miss Lexi Love. And then eventually,
Oh, yog.
I enjoyed watching Hormonal Lisa, but natanggal siya. So,
Camera reads first.
Oh no. Oh, you didn't. Oh no. Camera reads first.
Yung una daw,
Fresh.
because of the interview na hindi nasama yung name ni Bench. Well,
anong interview?
di ba na-notice sila ni Lady Gaga dun sa performance nila?
Sa TikTok. Oh, ang ganda no, no performance nila.
Tapos parang in-interview siya ng ABS. Pero hindi na sinali sa headline yung pangalan ni Bench kahit na kasali. Eh, hindi naman kasalanan ni Precious yun.
Oo.
And rocket.
Pero sinabi naman ni Precious,
Oo. Na effort na number ni Bench yun.
ayan o. In fact, I mentioned Bench a lot of times because it was her idea. O, yun naman pala. Wala namang
Pag-ako ng...
like, ano ba? Sa news editing or like sa editing, walang, kapag ka na-interview ka na, lahat ng sinabi mo yun na yun. Pero, it doesn't mean lahat ng sinabi mo ay ilalagay sa edit. Diba? So, hindi kasalanan ni Precious kung hindi na lagay sa edit yung pagbanggit niya kay Bench. That's not, hindi niya responsibility yon at wag niyong ibabash si Precious because of that. Kasi, hindi naman siya yung nag-edit ng episode. Sinabi naman ni Precious pala.
True. Tapos din, kahapon daw, nag-level siya because may event siya na about to headline na hindi na-approve nung, or walang alam yung original creator na si Carlo Vergara, yung Sasha Saturna.
Sasha Saturna. Baka ano meron?
May show siya na Sasha Saturna, siya yung mag-headline. Tapos, hindi alam nung event, yung original creator na si Carlo Vergara na may ganong event. Hindi pinaalam nung organizer. Parang intellectual rights, so parang hindi pinaalam.
Parang mahirap yan.
Mm-mm.
Sino yung producer?
Yung
Organizer?
parang yung bear community yata yung nakita ko na nag-apologize kay Carlo kasi sila yung may nag-organize ng event.
Alam ni Precious. Anyways, magbabasa muna ako bago ko mag-react. Pero, kilala naman natin yan si Precious. Wala namang masamang tinapay yan.
Diyos ko.
Isa yan sa mga pinaka mababait na tao. Hindi lang drag queen na tao na kilala ko. So, magbabasa muna ako bago ako mag-statement. Hindi ko naman kailangan mag-statement kasi wala naman ako dyan. Pero, as a friend, alam naming walang masamang tinapay yan si Precious. So, tigil-tigilan nyo si Precious. Yung mga nakikisaw-saw dyan. Oo, kasi kanina may mga nabasa din ako sa Twitter na mga tweets about this. Parang wala akong alam. So, ewan, magbabasa muna ako kasi habang nagsushow kanina doon ko nabasa eh. Pero,
papaluin ko kayo dyan.
kayo ang, kakaunti na nga lang kayo dyan, inaaway-away nyo pa yung mga drag queens dyan. Wala na nga ako dyan. Halino kayo dito, pag uwi ko, papaluin ko kayo isa-isa. Tsaka wag si Precious naman. Diyos ko, ang bait-bait ng tao. Confirm. Bago magbigay ng opinion, i-confirm muna. Magbasa. Magtanong-tanong. Hindi yung puro hate train minsan kasi kayo, yan ang alam ninyo. Is there a chance that you would do Glinda here sa Philippines? Diyos ko, pagod na pagod. Tama, si Paul na lang ang i-cancel. #cancel Paul. #bash Paul. Paul.
Si Paul ni Tony Gonzaga. Emmy.
Magbabasa muna ako bago ako wala pa akong alam sa issue bago niyo akong tanungin. So, sorry. Pero, Precious, we love you so much. Ay, medyas ko. Magsasapatos na ako.
Andiyan na yun. Baka mag-van call.
Baka mag-van call bigla, hindi pa ako nakachinelas. Ay, hindi pa ako nakasapatos.
She said, let them know tonight.
More vlogs soon. Yes, nag-i-edit ako kanina.
Pag nasa van kami, kahit pag may mga 2 hours, 1 hour trip,
Sa drive.
yun ang inaano yung...
Habang nagda-drive or habang kuya napaaga kami ng dating sa venue, edit ako. Pero kasi on top of that, nag-aayos din ako ng mga events, daming inaayos, pati mga looks, ganyan. Kasi ang daming kailangang ayusin looks, prepare. So, dami ring meetings. So, minsan hindi rin ako makapag-edit. Pero merong next. Yung next is yung Hawaii trip. Sinimulan ko na. Kasi pag day off ko, hindi na ako hindi na ako nag-i-edit kasi nga kakaunti lang yung day off ko. So, ayun. Tinatamad na ako mag-school. Mga bruha kayo. Hanggat hindi tinatamad yung teacher nyo magturo,
That was the habit of my day.
wala kayong karapatang tamarin. Hanggat hindi tinatamad yung mga magulang ninyong pag-aralin kayo.
Greasy on the penis.
Madam, di mo bet ipa-edit na lang sa iba yung vlogs? Hindi. Merong iba na iba yung nag-edit, pero yung mga personal vlogs sa akin. Ma-awardan mga bashers ni PPN. Tapos na. Hindi, magbabasa muna ako syempre. Hindi yung pwedeng react agad. Wala pang alam sa issue, magre-react agad. Saka, are you a silver or gold girl?
Out of drag.
Out of drag, silver. In drag, gold.
All the worms.
Advice po sa bali ang buto.
Sira ulo. Pasemento nyo yan.
Wow! Ganto pala kapag ka makikita mo na si Jesus. Ganon. Makakasama mo na si Jesus. Ollie, let's go to heaven on the 23rd. I'll message you. Paul is here and we're going there after our show. Sure na yun, because it's our day off in the 24th. So we're going to... Oh, fucking love! What a bitch! It's okay, my love. I'll get it.
It's alright.
I'm gonna wear it anyway, so thank
There
you.
you go.
You did me a favor.
Yeah, it would. And because it's like the cork, it's cheese, it's like soft cheese. I
Yeah.
eat it. I'm gonna twist it with a fork.
It is
Like the
thick.
thick, yeah.
Well, lamig ba dyan? Yes, sobrang lamig dito.
Yeah, I would
Anong
say.
oras na? 11:10 p.m.
So, oh, March. I was like, it goes off on the 13th, it's now the 18th. Crumble.
Will you have a show in London or Brighton? London soon. Teeny, I only found out recently nag Bradford pala kayo. Yes, I did Bradford but for a day lang. That was our best show, right, Bradford?
Really nice
yeah.
venue, yeah, really good.
That was our best show in the run so far, Bradford show. The audience was great. The theater was nice. Everyone remembered their lines. And it was really, really fun night. So Bradford was our favorite show so far. Yeah. And tonight's show is actually nice as well, even though my English is malfunctioning. I've overused my English. My English quota is done. So tonight, I missed a few lines during my solo number. And my monologue, because I have a lot of monologues. When are you visiting Latin America? Hopefully this year, but my schedule is full until December, so I'm not sure, but I really want to. I'm not sure, but I really want to. Probably sometime in July, hopefully.
I'm not going to be in the van, like, too dark.
You can turn the lights on. You got like a dimmer. You can just put it on like the dimmer setting. Do you listen to any podcasts?
Sorry, I'm going to take you that. I've got a mixed feeling.
No?
Off menu.
Marina Summers and opening of Miss Universe Philippines
Well,
again. Naku, busy ako sa May. Alam kong gagawin.
And
Oh, tsaka iba naman, let's give chance to others. Siguro pwede mga
I don't listen to every episode. I only listen to
side,
some of
anong tawag doon? Backstage. Anong tawag doon? Backstage correspondent, mga ganyan. Carry ko yun. Backstage correspondent. Ang sayo nun, no? Pag ako yung i-message nyo yung Miss Universe Philippines. Sabihin nyo, gusto nyo ako mag backstage correspondent sa mga girls. Ganyan. Wow! What is the best setting spray you use? I use 2 different setting sprays. The first one is the one size, yung nag-iisang spray ng one size, it's aerosol, and then the next one is I spray on top of it yung Anastasia dewy setting spray para lang magmukha siyang skin.
I'd gamble on someone. That'll come back to you on. But yeah, they get like celebrities on and they discuss. What else?
Come to South Africa. I would want to visit South Africa. What perfume do you wear? Secret.
Watch this and then see if you remembered. Who did the first
Any chance you're coming to Cambridge? Are we going to Cambridge? No.
Cambridge.
Cambridge?
No.
No.
I don't know if we're going near there. Probably
Yeah.
not.
Is there many bridges in Cambridge? Thoughts about Charlotte Tilbury airbrush spray? I don't know. I don't know anything about it. I haven't seen it yet. Come visit the Philippines, please. Yes, I would want to visit the Philippines soon. There's a lot of cams in Cambridge. Shut up. O siya, gogora na kami. Magva-van call na. Paalam. Bye everyone. See you soon.